Hello. 8 weeks ago I got a message via YouTube from John David Fraley from California. He watched a video about the rosy painting I did 2 years ago, and he's asking me to make a painting for his relative Naomi Parker Fraley, who was also a Rosie during World War II. I asked my wife to do it, and she said okay, I will. And so we do this painting during the last 6 weeks. You can watch the progress of the painting in the following video. I hope you enjoy it. Bye, and greetings to all roses. Hi, today I want to prepare the canvas and frame kit for Naomi's painting, the Rosie the Riveter, but I have one problem. I was in the post office and the frame is too long to send it to the United States, so I have to cut the wooden frame into 2 pieces and make it transportable. I use so-called lamellos. I show you how it works. Here you can see the slot I made with this machine, and this called fish put the 2 pieces together. Looks, you can remove it, you can put glue on the fish and fix it. Now sketching the motif is ready, and I want to fix the pencil on the canvas with a spray, because the pencil would give some color, oil colors, a different look. So I put a cover over the pencil sketching. The sketching needs a day of work. It's very important for the following paint. First steps of painting the background.
Sie das gelassen. Die Butterkur dient schließlich einem höheren Ziel. Schönheit ist für alle wichtig. Wer will schon hässlich sein? Scheiterhaufen.
Painting the red dots of the bandana.
Sind weiße.
Richtig. The dots are white. In a dull red. painting continues. And Naomi will be finished very soon. Then the vertical to red machine is the next part of the painting. Last part is the shoe.
Dieser Melodie werden wir auf unserer Reise durch Kuba später noch einmal begegnen. In den Hinterhöfen Havannas hört man aber auch das: Rapmusik, laut, wütend, zornig. Der Rapper Anderson setzt sich mit Kubas Realität auseinander. Mangelwirtschaft, Gängelung durch den Staat, kaum Freiheit. Das ist der bitterböse Soundtrack zum oft sehr tristen Alltag.
Die kubanischen Rapper kriegen sehr oft Probleme mit dem Staat, weil wir sehr deutliche Worte wählen und die Wahrheit sagen. Wir alle wissen nicht, wo es in Zukunft langgehen wird. Wir haben wenig Hoffnung und das gilt nicht nur für Rapper, sondern für alle. Ärzte, Ingenieure, Sportler. Jeder Kubaner befindet sich im Kampf, im täglichen Kampf ums Wohlergehen.
Rapper wie Anderson, das sind die unbequemen Enkel der Revolution.
Now the last step to finish the painting is a clear cover varnishing who protects the painting from dust, sunlight and dirt. I have to do this 3 or 4 times. Then the painting have to dry and is ready for shipping. Bye.
must shine. She's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory. Rosie, the riveter, keeps a sharp lookout for sabotage. Sitting up there on the fuselage, that little frail can do more than a male can do. Rosie, the riveter. Rosie's got a boyfriend, Charlie. Charlie, he's a Marine. Rosie is protecting Charlie, working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production knee, she was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie, the riveter. Rosie, the riveter. Rosie, 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 working on assembly line. Bubble there, bubble dee dee leave it on bubble there. Revy boy, revy. Rosie, 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 the riveter on the assembly